My name's Samuel Ward Gardner, and I've been in the program for 2 years now. This is my second year. Right out of high school, I can go straight to a job. I don't have to have any knowledge prior going into it as well. And it's just a 2-year program, and it'll set you to have a job for life and everything like that. And you can find a job anywhere in the world with HVAC. Yeah, you could be on the space program, work on a space shuttle or something like that, work on stuff like that. Or you could just go to commercial refrigeration and work on people's houses like this.
My name's Ethan Foster. I've been with the program for 3 years now. It's an extra program you can do if he lets you, just to kind of get the extra stuff that you missed. There's a lot of different options. You can do just base residential stuff, go into bigger commercial stuff, or like Sam was talking about, like space station, stuff like that. It's a really wide variety.
Well, there's a lot to HVAC. Last year we started out with sheet metal, and we started out with just doing all that and making ductwork and all that type of stuff, and then we went on the piping and all that, and we got to learn how to braze, solder, all that type of stuff with we got to do a little bit of everything. HVAC, it has a lot to it. It's got carpentry, plumbing, it's got refrigeration, heating as well, and it's just an all-around good program to be in for if you just want to learn the basics of mostly everything.
I'd say it's good for anybody to, obviously learn the basics of HVAC, but it dabbles in a lot more, like electrical, for example. You get some sheet metal work and stuff like that. It's just a variety of things. I
probably have to say when I get to work with bigger machinery, it's a lot of fun. I just like to work with the bigger tools. Like when I have to bend sheet metal, like big pieces, we usually have to use a huge bender to do that or something like that. Just stuff like that, or having to get onto a roof with a ladder, just getting to do stuff. It's just a lot of fun.
Everything about it. There's not too much book work, which is good. The hands-on stuff is really in-depth, and Vaughn does a good job teaching that. It's just an overall good program.
Probably say it takes a lot. There's going to be a lot to the program that you're going to have to learn, and it's a little heavy, but it gives you a lot of knowledge about how the world works around you. So you're not just clueless about everything that's going on around you all the time.
I plan to go immediately into the field, probably a job around here for a couple years, and then I want to move south eventually and start my own business.